Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosis. My name is Aishwarya and I am working here at Cybrosys. Our office is actually located in Kinfra Techno Industrial Park, which is in Calicut. So today I thought I'll take you to an office tour. So come with me.
Listen to the robins singing as the frozen rivers start to flow.
So before moving on to the office tour, I have some exciting news for you. Being a student or being a youngster, you guys might be in confusion of what to do next in your future. Means you guys might be searching for a job, you guys might be thinking how it feels like to work inside an IT company and so on. So all this confusion has come to an end because Cybrosys is introducing a new session called Campus Connect. So as part of Campus Connect, you guys can come and visit Cybrosys. Cybrosys will be giving you complete guidance on what to do next, and you guys can also feel how it is to be working inside an IT company. So let's see what's happening inside Cybrosys. Come with me for the office tour. So once you enter our office, on one side we have a beautiful lobby area where we have some very colorful couches which is specially made for our guests. So just take a look at them.
Standing on the mountain top, put your eyes around the valley below.
And on the other side we have our open library. So come with me to the library. So this is our open library where we have some books. Okay, so majority of the books are published by Cybrosys itself. We have Odo books, not only Odo books, some other story books, motivational books and all are here in our library. So this is our library.
Before you know it, you'll be standing on the other side. You've got no reason.
What was that? So that's a scooter, okay? So somebody is riding through our office. Take a look. And just behind a reception, that is right in front of our office, we have two interview cabins where we usually conduct our interviews, and after the interview cabins, we have another cabin which is actually for the admins, which we call it as Scorpio. Now let's go to our conference hall. This is our conference hall, and as you can see, here 40 people can sit at a time. See, it's our biggest conference hall in our office. Now this 40 can go up to 50, okay? 50 people can sit here. So those people who are coming for IV and all, they used to sit here, okay? And here we have a portal TV. So we used to have meetings with the ones working from home, from here. So this is our huge conference hall. Now let's go outside. Okay, if you're tired sitting and working, you can stand and work. So that's why we have a stand over here. You can keep your lap here and work from here. So this is one of the most interesting spots of our office. So this is the phone booth. Okay, so we have mostly international clients. So our employees will be having, client meetings and all. So without any distraction, they need to call, right? So for that, they can use these phone booths. As you can see, some are in meetings right now. Oh, yes. So this is our workspace and these are all our developers. Say hi, guys. Okay. And I'll show you one more thing. So here we have a relaxing workspace. That is our working couch actually. See, guys are all very relaxed at working. See how the way they are. They're not even bothered that I'm standing and speaking from here. See? Okay, let's leave this spot. Here you can see a staircase. So this staircase actually leads us to the napping area. We have beds over there, so you can lie down and work. If you're not well, you can sleep over there. And I love that place very much. So here we have some storage areas as well, as you can see. Now let's go to our mini conference hall. So this is our mini conference hall. As you can see, you have 6 chairs over here. Okay, so at a time 6 people can sit here. Plus we have a big comfy couch here. So people can also sit here and have relaxed meetings. Yeah, so this is a very calm and quiet place where you can have meetings. Okay, so come, let's go out. And on the left side, you can see all our employees. So these are all developers. So guys are all sitting and working from here. Okay, so come. Now we have some indoor plants over here. See? These are all our plants. Now let's go to the other side. See, this is a photo frame. You can post from here. So this is for the Instagram. And here also we have a plant. Then we have some couches over here. So quick meetings and all can be done from here, and also they all come and sit here and work from here. And from here onwards, a hot seats starts. Okay, so Cybrosians come sit here, they take their refreshments from there, they take it, put it here, munch it from here, and they work alongside. So this is also a workspace where you have all developers. And this is also a hot seat. Okay, so here you have games. As you can see, somebody is playing as well as in a meeting. See? Say hi. Okay, so here we have all kind of board games like chess, Monopoly and all. So evenings and all, this place will be really crowded. And this is a mic point. So from here, if you take a look, you can see the whole office. Okay, so from here, if we have any kind of events and all, we'll be talking from here. We have speakers inside our office, and this is also a workspace. Okay, so this is the most interesting area of our office. This is the play area where we have the table soccer as well as the pool table. So evenings are really crowded over here. People will be playing, full of noise, laughter and all. So I really like this place. Okay, so I think I'm tired now. Let me go get a juice. Come with me. Okay, so this is our pantry, or we call it a cafeteria. So when we are really tired working, we come sit here and order for juices. So here we have different juices like, mangoes, and then you have mojitos and so on. So it's really fun to work from here, having a juice and working, it's really fun. Other than juices, we have some breakfast options as well. So the very interesting thing is that all these juices and all are free and unlimited. So let me order for my juice. Thank you. So my mango juice is ready. This is my most favorite juice over here. It's really yum. So other than mango juice, we have mojitos and all here. So which are absolutely free and unlimited. And we have some other options also. Like, we have this breakfast options and all. And if you just take a look over there, we have this pickled things like mangoes and gooseberries, which are also unlimited and free. So this is our pantry, or we can call it our cafeteria. And we have couches over here, so you can have something and work alongside. So it's actually a relaxing place. Come afterwards, okay? Bye-bye. Okay, so things apart. At Cybrosis, apart from all these things, we are conducting IVs also. Okay, so let me sit somewhere. Okay, so I was talking about IV, yes. So at Cybrosis, we are conducting industrial visits, which are absolutely free. So students of colleges and schools used to visit Cybrosis. And if you are a student, I'm inviting you to Cybrosis because you have to come and experience what a workspace looks like. Okay, it's really a different experience. Okay, because you guys might be in research, of how a workspace will be, what is a good job, in which field you have to go. So Cybrosis will be helping you in everything. So that's what we mean by this IV. You have to come to Cybrosis and experience this ambience. It will be worth it.
Hi, I am Hadad Rosh. I have been working here for 5 years with Cybrosis family.
This is me, Shajina, from the HR department. And
So the basic idea of conducting IVs is to just understand the basic operations of an IT4.
these kind of visits will be a great opportunity for all those people to explore about a company.
As a graduate student or a fresher, everyone has the same confusion or the lack of confidence entering into an IT field or a software developer job.
Many of us, including me, when we were freshers, we never knew like how a company will be, what will be the inside out of a company and all,
So that's why Cybrosis is conducting IVs.
where they could learn about what this company exactly does and what are the hierarchy systems we follow and what are the culture that we follow and how can they get into such companies.
Just to give them the direction, motivation, and the exploring the opportunities what industry provides.
So we generally make sure that our IVs are very precise and very informative and useful for all those young talents around.
So this is how it feels like to be a Cybrosian, and this is our world. The ambience over here is too good. Now, if you want to explore Cybrosis or if you want to experience the ambience, I'm inviting each and every one of you to Cybrosis, especially students. So come over here and experience it by yourself. Thank you.